Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to link up with others on LinkedIn. To begin, it is important to understand that there are specific buttons used for networking. The first is the Add button, which usually appears on the profiles of people you may already know or with whom you share mutual contacts. Clicking this button initiates a connection request. Let's look at an example using Jensen Button's profile. As you can see, the Add button is visible here. When you select it, you are given the option to either send the invitation immediately or include a personalized note first. Essentially, the Add and Connect buttons perform the same function. This is the standard setting on LinkedIn for anyone looking to develop a professional relationship. Next, we have the Follow button. This option is primarily used to track someone's activity. For instance, if we search for Lewis Hamilton, you will see that Follow is his primary button. Public figures often set this as their default to encourage followers rather than direct connections. Even in these cases, the Add button remains the way to send a formal connection request. Simply click Add to finish the process. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, please consider liking the video and subscribing. I will see you in the next tutorial.